Hello everybody, today we're gonna open the Tomb Rockets Mewtwo EX box. Let's see what's inside of it. Inside this box there are 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs. There are 2 Destined Rivals, 1 Tempered Forces and 1 Searching Sparks. There is 1 photo sticker, 1 oversized card featuring Team Rocket's Mewtwo EX, there are also 2 foil cards, and the last one, the foil promo card featuring Team Rocket's Mewtwo EX, and the code card. If you want to buy the Team Rocket's Mewtwo EX box, you can find it on Blue Moon Collectibles store or even on our website bluemooncollectibles.com. Thank you for watching!